Hello Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. I am Aditya Mishra. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Cognizant hiring 2026 batch. Yes, topic wise checklist to start preparing from now and you will able to secure the role in Cognizant. I know most of the colleges are going into Cognizant hiring process and this would be one short guidance video which will help you to mark all of your checklist that whether I have completed this topic or not. Okay, because Cognizant is a good opportunity. Upcoming would be resume section, project section, SQL, coding, OOP, DBMS, OS, and CM. Okay, so all of these topics would be covered in this particular video. So yes, resume section, be authenticate, remove fake skills, certifications, and buzzwords you can't defend because few people do mention AI, ML, LLM, agentic AIs, agents, and stuff, but they actually don't know about it. So it is of no use. Keep it clickable. Hyperlink project titles and certifications for a clean professional look. So you should have all these things with a either this particular single like link symbol or you should have an hyperlinked it so that people can understand that this link is hyperlinked. You can click to have an acknowledgement. Smart academics. If your CGPA isn't strong, skip it. Quality over quantity. Okay, so you need to write few things, but those things should be well presented with bold words, bold letters, as well as highlight your projects that has best showcase your core skills. Layouts and length. One page resume is ideal for fresher. Use clean formatting with consistent size. Okay, how you can get to know about the size? I've got many resumes for resume review or in the mock interview. We saw that project description font is different, the education font is different, and etc, etc. You should have a look once, go back from your screen and see whether all fonts are looking familiar or evenly or not. Okay, so use bullet points, no long paragraphs. That is more important in your resume section. And if you're wondering about the resume template or referral template, you can just go on Prime Coding Topmate. You can just write on Google Aditya Mishra Prime Coding. You will be getting the Topmate account and click on that Topmate. See, there is a free package available which has resume template as well as referral template, which will definitely help you to get referrals on LinkedIn. Like template is written, you just need to replace your skills and you are done. And the resume template where you need to do the alteration. So all of these is provided right there on the Topmate profile. Just go and find it and get it because it's free. Project section. Your project description must show that what you built, not your friends. Okay, might be your project would be collaborated and you have worked on some other things or stuffs, but mention the things which you have worked on. But someone asks you about your project, set up the context that what you built and what teammate built and what was the end result was created. Follow the star method. Already created project explanation video. You can just search project explanation Prime Coding, you will get that particular video. Highlight the tech stack which you have used, that using that tech stack what impact you have created. That is more important. Own your contribution. Specify your role: front-end development, back-end API, deployment, testing. If it was a team projects, emphasize your individual responsibility, how you have stand on those responsibility. Demonstrate problem solving, which is star method, which is situation, task, action, result, as you can see here. And use this technique to explain about your project when someone asks what was the situation, how you performed on it, what is the action that you have created on the task, and what is the end result that you got. Keep it impact and oriented. Okay, so show the measurable result, like you have created this feature, but what is the impact? Okay, this many percentage of latency has got down, and these can easily be in use now. Previously, it was used not that good in UI, but I made the good in UI so that people can use more. The engagement time over the website is increased. Okay, so many things, many metrics are available. Just try to evaluate your work. SQL, structure query language. Okay, so Cognizant directly asks you to create tables, insert values, implement and run SQL queries. So create table, insert, update, alter, delete, drop, truncate, write queries with where, alling, group by, order by, limit, write query from join operations, sum, count, max, concat, length, now, and limit offset questions that you should prepare. At least check on these topics which I told so that at least you would be aware of this, and I bet you that you're gonna write the query using all of these things only. So already one short video is available on SQL query on Prime Coding. You can just need to search SQL one short video prank coding, you will get the SQL video and go and start reading it. Otherwise, it would be very hard. And yes, it is important to go through the previous year questions. So it is already curated in a package on top mate. You will just have it. It definitely would be less than 10 rupees. Yes, it is available. All of the things, PDFs has been compressed into a package so that you can have it right there on my TopMate profile. I will tag my profile below in the description. You just click it, get whatever you want to, because everything is pocket friendly. Now, object oriented programming, again, the resources available on TopMate as well as here for free. Here on channel, I've explained the same resource, and for readable notes and stuff, you can either hit Prime Coding website as well. It has industry ready, okay, or I have a free video, I have a video available on YouTube. You can just write oops one shot. I will pin it out in I button, okay. You can just scroll down in the description, you will see the tagged video. There is a series playlist, then series most asked questions and one shot videos available of object oriented programming, computer networks, operating system. All those have real time examples, with those examples which will retain into your mind with simple English, right? It will fit. Okay, do check that out. Class and objects with real world examples, constructor, 4 pillars, type, inheritance, access, modifier, important keywords like super, this, final, exception, and its types to try and catch, finally, throw, and throws types of errors. Cognizant directly asks you to implement the following OOPS concept, which is inheritance, probably more of the time polymorphism. Second is inheritance, abstraction, and encapsulation constructor. You can expect that the interviewer can ask you to code any of the 4 pillars in your actual interview. So you need to make a note of it. That's why I recommended the prime coding video on the channel. You will just see the video. It has the implementation in a very simpler and easy type, so that once you practice, you won't forget it. Massive success rate, yes, because you will get interview opportunity because you are following prime coding content. You will get the same question sometimes too. So yes, you can convert your interview opportunity into the offer so you can make your parents proud, because here we'll be giving you plus 90 minutes of mock sessions from the real experts who crack Cognizant in their college placements and off-campus placements and much more. HR questions, MR questions would be asked to you. Resume review is cherry on the cake, where we'll fix your resume, let you know what fixes you need to do so that you will stand into your interview. Personalized feedback and guidance would be given to everyone who is taking mock interview. Until unless you are not satisfied, no mock interviewer will go out of the session. They will be helping you till the last question you have. We don't have time limits and stuff. We will be sitting with you, taking or noticing everything that computer questions, DSA questions, knowledge questions, communication skills would be judged, resume based questions, everything which is required to crack Cognizant, we will be standing with you. So for this, just head on to www.primecoding.in, because this is a platform used by many people and they are now working in Cognizant, your seniors, 24 people. So why you are still waiting? Okay, so click on the link and go away right now. Database management system, DBMS, again the series is available, one short video, all of the topics which are important. If you go through it, no other questions will come out of those videos. Okay, so you can those watch one shots for now. DBMS, file processing system, ER diagram with example, attributes, constraints and their types of keys, normalization, indexing, transaction state, SQL, NoSQL and ACID properties are the bare minimum topics that you need to study, and most of the topic is already taught in series. Okay, what is series? Series is a playlist. You can see the videos are aligned right there in the series, and all those are one shot. Just go and watch those one shot so that you can secure your job. Data structures and algorithm. Arrays, strings, sorting, binary search, linked list, accuse, and pattern questions, swap two numbers are the important and bare minimum topics that you should prepare before sitting in your actual interview. We will be creating coding series for sure, like containing all of the coding videos for multiple companies. Already created Though, like many of the like one shot maximum sub array questions, one shot stack questions, these are the questions available on the channel. Just need to search it and get these things out. Okay. So operating system and computer network, as I told, I have already created a video. This is screenshots of that particular series playlist. And see, interview prep crash course. These are crash course which of 1 hour 21 minutes 56 minutes, where I covered most of the important topics that you should know barely. Me bare minimum topics with simple English. Notes are comprehensive in simple English with real time example. We have tried our best to not lose any important concept. Please go and watch, because these videos are free of you, available to all of you. The link would be in I button above, or you can just write operating system one shot or operating system crash course by Prime Coding. You will get the playlist. Otherwise, I would be definitely tagging it up in the description below. Just scroll and you will get series playlist. Clear? So in Cognizant interviewer typically don't ask tough questions from operating system, computer network, unless you specifically highlight proficiency in these subjects on your resume. But still, to good prepare basic questions from these. That is the most important point. They won't be asking you hard questions, but yes, they will be asking you. For me also, they have asked questions about computer networks and operating system. For you also, they will ask, although I've not mentioned it in my resume still. Okay, so if the interviewer is aware of these concepts, then definitely you will not get it. If interviewer is more into programming, you will get programming question. But yes, the bare minimum is OS, CN, DBMS, SQL. Then resume questions are important to crack Cognizant. Okay, so yes, I would be mentioning all the links which is required to crack this opportunity in the description below with my TopMate account, and just scroll down and get the video stacked where you will find the playlist. Just click on that playlist, start binge watch, because those videos are fantastic and you will definitely crack. These are one of those videos. Okay. Get the things done. We'll meet you with a new video. Until then, please consider subscribing this channel, like this video, share with your friends so that your friend can also know about the best quality content is available for free. We'll meet you with a new content soon.